Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the latest leaks and features of Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra, the next flagship from Samsung that's already got everyone talking. There are some big changes on the horizon. Let's start with the design. Samsung seems to be sticking with its iconic Ultra look but with a twist. Imagine the sharp corners from the S24 Ultra now softened just enough to give a more comfortable grip, along with flat edges for a sleeker look. These might seem like small changes, but they add up to a more comfortable, refined design. Wants this phone to look as premium as it performs. Performance-wise, Samsung's going all out with this Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Finally, we're seeing Samsung go global with one powerhouse processor across the lineup, and that's got fans excited. But early tests suggest this chip might overheat under pressure. Will Samsung solve this, or could this be the Achilles heel of the S25 Ultra? Samsung's already showing commitment to power and speed, so it'll be interesting to see how they tackle this heat problem. But Samsung's focus isn't just on performance, it's also about usability and ease. They're pushing the Galaxy S25 Ultra to be smoother, faster, and easier to handle. Think about seamless updates where updates happen in the background and you just need a quick restart. Let's look at the screen. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to feature Samsung's signature LTPO AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Rumor has it we might get a slightly larger screen size, around 6.9 inches with enhanced brightness for outdoor visibility. Samsung's display tech is already top-notch, so this phone might deliver the most immersive viewing experience yet. If you love vibrant, punchy displays, you're in for a treat with this one. One of the most intriguing aspects, the camera setup. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to be packing a 200MP main camera, but what really stands out is the potential addition of more versatile zoom levels and a larger ultra-wide lens. Imagine capturing stunning detail from far away in low light or with super wide angles. This could be the ultimate camera setup for mobile photography lovers, and Samsung's making sure that photography isn't just about megapixels but delivering richer, more vibrant images. While charging speeds may not be boosted, the efficiency from the new processor and software optimizations could give you more screen time per charge. Imagine getting through a whole day with no worries, even if you're gaming or snapping photos on the go. Samsung seems to be gearing up for a new era with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with design tweaks, a powerful chip, about creating a device that feels smooth, performs beautifully, and gives you the best of Samsung. But do you think these upgrades are enough? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for all the latest updates. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video.